In this video, we see an example of rational algebraic function where the denominator is non-repeated linear factors. Let us see an example. We have to integrate integration of x square plus 5x plus 41 divided by x plus 3 x minus 1 2x minus 1. You can see that the degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is 3, x into 2x, that is 2x cube. Therefore we no need to divide the numerator by denominator. Here we directly write it as x square plus 5x divided by 41 plus 41 divided by x plus 3 x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 equal to a divided by, for each factor we have and one term x plus 3 plus b divided by x minus 1 plus c divided by 2x minus 1. This is equal to a into, let us take LCM, 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 plus b into x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 plus c into x minus 1 into x plus 3 whole divided by x plus 3 x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. Now equating the numerators, x square plus 5x plus 1 equal to a into 2x minus 1 x minus 1 plus b into x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 plus c into x minus 1 x plus 3. This is equation number 1. From this equation 1, we have to find the values of the constants a, b and c. Put x equal to 1. If we put x equal to 1, here in the first term we have a factor x minus 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. Here in the third term you can see that x minus 1 is a factor, therefore 1 minus 1 will be 0. And in the left we have 1 plus 5 plus 41. 1 plus 5 plus 41 equal to a into 2 b into, first factor is 0, b into 1 plus 3 4 and 1 plus 3 4 and 2 minus 1 1. This gives me b equal to 41 plus 5 46 plus 1 47 divided by 4. Now put x equal to minus 3. If we put x equal to minus 3 square, that is 9 minus 15 plus 41 equal to a into minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 into minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 plus 3 and minus 3 is 0, plus 3 and minus 3 will be 0. 15 minus 41 minus 15, we have 26 and 26 plus 9, 26 plus 9, that will be 35. 35 equal to 7 into 4, 28 into A. This will be A equal to 35 divided by 28. We can see that each numerator and denominator has a 7 factor. So simplification gives is 5 divided by 4. Now to find the value of C, put x equal. Find the value of C. We put x equal to we put here x equal to 1 by 2. If we put x equal to 1 by 2, we have 1 by 4 plus 51 equal to C into minus 1 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now let us take the LCM in the left side. LCM 1 plus 10 plus 41 into 4 divided by 4 equal to minus 7 by 4 into C equal to you can see that here 4 get cancel. This implies 11 plus 164 equal to C, 7C with minus sign, and minus 7C equal to 175, C equal to minus 25. When we divide by 7, we get minus 25. Here, so we have calculated the value of A. A is equal to 5 by 4, B equal to 47 by 4, and C equal to minus 25. Now let us put these values in this partial fraction, and this will be converted. This integral, we can write this integral as integration of x square plus 5x plus 41 divided by x plus 3 into x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 equal to integration of A 5 divided by 4 divided by x plus 3 plus B 47 divided by 4 x minus 1 plus C minus 25 divided by 2x minus 1 into dx. It is converted into very simple integration, and now it is easily integrable. You can see how to integrate this. What is integration of this x plus 3? X plus 3, this will be equal to 5 divided by 4 into log of x plus 3 plus 47 divided by 4 into log of x minus 1 and minus we need here 2. Derivative of this 2x minus 1 is 2. So we divide and multiplied by 2, we get 25 divided by 2 into log of 2x minus 1. This is the answer of this integration. Here we have applied. You can see this is the main part of this integration. We have to write this is in the form of this term x square plus 5x divided by, for each factor we have, this is a factor and this is a single factor x plus 3, and for this factor we have taken this term a divided by x plus 3. Remember this. Another factor is x minus 1, and for this x minus 1 we have taken b divided by x minus 1, and third factor is 2x minus 1. For this 2x minus 1 we have taken c divided by 2x minus 1. Hence like this, and we have solved this for a, b and c. This is the method of partial fraction and you can see that how this will be converted into very simple integrations. Thank you friend, thank you for watching this video.